Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
Investing in precious metal is a time-tested way to diversify and secure your financial future. Colorado Gold, a trusted precious metal dealer based in Montrose, Colorado, has been a leader in the industry since 1977. Founded by Don Scott, this family-run business and upheld values of integrity, transparency, and customer-first service, making it a reliable choice for their investors. For over 4 decades, Colorado Gold has been dedicated to helping investors build wealth through gold, silver, platinum. The company, now managed by Don Scott Children, continues to offer personalized service and expert guidelines, assuring clients receive honest and knowledgeable support every step. Colorado Gold priorities customer education by offering valuable market insight and weekly update. Investors benefits from market trend analysis. Stay ahead with expert insight into economic factors influencing precious metal. Transparency pricing, no hidden fees, assuring fair and competitive rates. Personalized support, friendly and professional guidelines for both new and experienced investors. Colorado Gold offers a diverse section of investment-grade metals including gold coins and bars, ideal for both small and large investors. Silver coins and bars, a flexible and accessible investment option. Platinum coins and bars, a great choice for those who are looking to diversify their further. Investors can also choose IRA-eligible metal, allowing them to store their assets securely within a retirement account or take direct possession. Colorado Gold stands out for its dedication to client satisfaction, offering family-owned integrity, built on trust, ethical practices, and long-term relationships. Competitive pricing, high-quality metal at fair market prices. Buyback program. Clients can sell back their metals at the competitive rate and adding flexibility to their investment strategy. Colorado Gold assures a transparent and competitive pricing including low buyback fees, a structured fee system that rewards on larger transactions, free shipping and insurance, added value that enhance a customer savings, flexible payment option, wire transaction, personal checks and cashier checks, a minimum for a small orders. Colorado Gold has been a built and solid reputation reflected in its customer feedback. Better Business Bureau (BBB) A+ rating, demonstrating exceptional customer service and trustworthiness. Long-term client relationship. Many investors return due to Colorado Gold a personalized approach. Positive testimonials. Customers appreciate the company reliability and transparency. Industry expertise. For investors looking to secure their retirement, Colorado Gold assists to setting up a precious metal IRAs, offering trusted custodian partnerships. Working with experienced IRA custodian has a sure compliance. Diverse IRA approved metal. Select from IRS approved gold, silver and platinum options. Secure storage option. Metals are safely stored in IRS approved depositories and assuring peace of mind. Choosing a precious metal dealer is an important decision. Colorado Gold makes it easy by offering decades of expertise, a track record by reliability and excellence since 1977. Customer-centric approach, education, transparency and ongoing support, a secure investment path, a seamless process for both and new investors. Whether you are a first-time investor or looking to expand your portfolio, Colorado Gold is a name you can trust. The commitment to education, fair pricing, and customer services makes them a top choice in the precious metal industry. Visit Colorado Gold website or contact their team today to learn more about securing your future with gold, silver, and platinum investments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more expert insight on investing in precious metals.